All right, so what we're looking at Sudoku, this is the pink level 1. So these are 9x9s. Don't be intimidated by 4x4s, 6x6s, or 9x9s, because what really gives them their level of difficulty is how many clues they give. So a level 1 is going to give a lot of clues. So a 9x9 means that you are using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in each row, each column, and each of these boxes. Sometimes they're rectangular, like in a 6x6, but in a 9x9, they are squares. I had to draw the lines in because when these copied, they didn't have the gray shaded areas.
Guys, quiet.
I'm just going to yell at my math class on video, and I'm going to leave it there. Class 22 to 26. I asked you to be quiet and you're working independently. All right, let's continue on. So we're looking for a box, row, or column that has a lot of clues provided. And I can't help but notice this box here and this box here that only have 2 left to be filled in. So one of the things in doing this is you never guess. We're going to use logic, like if this, then what? All right. Now, first of all, I want to guess. I want to figure out, not guess. I want to find out what digits are missing. So I have a 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a 4, 5, 6, and I'm missing. It doesn't have to. I'm videotaping it here, not for you. So I'm missing a 4 and a 7. So I can do notes, so I can write them down like this. And now I'm going to go across and look for other clues. So if I look across at this top row, there is a 4. So now we're using this logic statement. If this is a 4, can this be a 4? No, which means this must be the 7. And if this is the 7, this is the 4. I'm going to go down to this square here, figure out what's missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm missing a 3 and a 4. So I'm going to write those down as notes. And then I'm going to look at some other clues. So if I look across here, I notice there is a 4. And if this is a 4, then this cannot be a 4, which means it must be the 3. And if this is the 3, then this must be the 4. And we're going to keep following along like that. I love this column here. I'm only missing one number. So 1 looks like it's the 2, but I am going to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if we look at this column here, I'm missing a 1, 2, I'm missing a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm missing a 3 and a 5. So this is either a 3 or a 5. Can it be a 3? Nope. So this must be the 5. And if this is the 5, then this here must be the 3. And you're going to continue on doing logic like this. If this, you're going to take notes. You're going to go square by square, row by row, column by column. Now there is a more advanced strategy that you can use. And I'm going to post other videos of that, but it is involving a number. So I'll give an example. An advanced strategy, and this is by looking at numbers. So one thing we can do is we focus on just a single digit and really try to figure out where they all can be. Remember, so I'm going to pick 6s. So my 6, I need a 6 in each box, each row, and each column. So I'm going to find all my 6s. And this is great because I have one box missing a 6. So now I need to figure out where that 6 can be. It's in this box someplace. Can it be in this row? No, it already has a 6. Can it be in this row? No, it already has a 6. So now I'm going to look in these 3 columns. It's got to be in one of these spots. But if I look up, there's a 6. Can't be here. Can it be here? I look up, there's a 6. So the only place I can have a 6 is there because I need it in this box, in this row, and in this column and in this row. So that's another way that you can do it, is by focusing on a certain digit. I wouldn't mind tackling ones here because I'm only missing a couple of them. So we could tackle ones using a different color. So I might go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I'm missing a 1 in these 3 boxes, but let's figure out where ones could go. So in this box, it can't be in this row, and it can't be in this row. So it's got to be in this middle row. There's only one opening. So I'm guessing already that's my 1, but I'm going to double check it. There's no 1 in this column, but there is in this column and there is in this column. So just by doing that, I got my 1. So let's now look at these 2 boxes. Can it be in this row? No. So it can't be in this row. It has to be, my 1s have to be in one of these 2 rows. Now let's look at these columns. This has a 1. This has a 1. So my 1 has to be in this column. There's only 1 opening. Oh, nope, there's 2. Oops. But in this box, there's only 1 opening. If we look in this one, there's a 1 here, a 1 here. So it has to be here. So I can have a 1 where these 2 meet here. So this could be a 1. Where this one meets here. These are the only 2 places that we can have 1s, but we have, oh wait, sorry, here. We have a problem though. These 2 are in this row because it's got to be this row, this column, this row, or this column. It can be this row, this column, but it's already taken up, or this row, this column. So those are my 3 places to put a 1. Now, if I put a 1 here, there's no place I can put a 1 here. So my 1 has to go here. And if this is a 1, this is not a 1, which means this is the 1. And just by looking at digits, we were able to place the 1. So that is another more advanced strategy.